Oppo has finally announced Oppo Find X. The Find series took a break after 2014, but now it is back with a new design, flagship specs, and a few tricks. The Find X has a 6.4-inch screen, which is a big jump when compared to the 5.5-inch screen of the Find 7 and Find 7a, but with practically no bezels, there isn't a huge difference in the size of both phones. The screen of the Oppo Find X stretches to the top, and therefore obliterates the bezel, where the front camera, sensor, and earpiece usually reside. There is still a small slit for the earpiece above the display, but Oppo has come up with the trick, albeit a familiar one, to hide the sensors and front camera. Unlike the Vivo X, that has a pop-out front-facing camera, the Find X itself has a large automatic sliding mechanism, the width of the phone. When this part of the phone slides out, it not only reveals the front camera and 3D face scanning sensors for unlocking the phone, it also reveals the dual rear cameras and LED flash. Oppo has termed it stealth 3D cameras. It is similar to what Uji demoed with the Mix 4 prototype, but with a slightly different take. Oppo says the slide-out mechanism pops out in just 0.5 seconds. It is pretty fast, and even if it isn't for you, you will have to get used to it if you want to unlock your phone. That is because the Find X doesn't have a fingerprint scanner. There is not one under the screen, on the side, or at the back. So it is either 3D face unlock, or all face as Oppo calls it. The Oppo Find X has a 6.4-inch, curved 1080p OLED display, with a 93.8% screen-to-body ratio. It is powered by the Snapdragon 845 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of built-in storage. It has a 25MP camera for selfies, with multiple 3D portrait lighting features, an Oppo own take on the iPhone X emoji, which it calls Omoji. There is a 16MP plus 20MP dual camera combo on the rear, with OIS and AI features such as scene recognition. Launch the camera app, or any app that needs to use a camera, and the slide-out mechanism brings up the cameras for you. It will also automatically retract when you exit the app. If you are wondering about how durable the sliding mechanism is, Oppo says it will last up to 5 years, without any issues. The phone has a dual SIM slot, which is at the bottom beside the USB-C port. It has global LTE support, which means it will work in any country. There is no audio jack, which shouldn't be a surprise anymore. Battery capacity is 3730 mAh, with Oppo fast charging. The Find X runs Android 8.1 Arena, with ColorOS 5.1 on top. Oppo says the phone will get support for Android P beta. The Oppo Find X comes in blue and red color. It will sell for €999, and will be available in August. The Find X Lamborghini edition comes in black color, and will sell for €1,699. Oppo says configuration and availability may vary from country to country. The Find X will also be available in North America. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.